What is up, everybody? So range breakers here, day 11 of the prop firm challenge, and I think I need to switch it up. So we blew up our first account, and in doing so I tried to make an entire new strategy because I didn't want to use my NQ strategy, which I trade on my personal account. So I attempted to make a new strategy with ES using the Edgeful algo, trading the opening range breakout. And as expected, whenever you start a new challenge, you hit drawdown, which is always what you want. But I think it's time to switch to NQ. I think the only way I'm going to pass this prop firm challenge is if I work with a futures contract that I know better. ES today was a 692.50 loss, which is 697.50 is what Edgeful got. So I'm happy that I followed the plan. And it's just the overall profit factor on ES. It's just, and this is just Mondays, it's just not even close to what I'm able to get on NQ. And the forward testing, which I was mostly worried about with NQ because there's more movement, was that the trade entries or slippage could impact the actual true profitability and win rates. So far, and it could just be a winning streak, today was the algo for Edgeful showed 21,983.50, and my entry was 4 points off. So I've been trading the NQ using Edgeful on my personal account this month, and minus Friday, I tried my own algo, and now I'm just trading Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and it's going great. I mean, there's going to be more red in here, I'm sure, before we're done, but I'm slowly sizing up, and I think I can make it work for prop firms. But in reality, man, the trailing drawdown and the weekly loss limits, especially the trailing max drawdown, because I only have $293 left, right? So even though you could have a good trade tomorrow, I'm gonna have to size down so that the max stop, and the stops I use here, check it out, is large based on the backtest. So 13 points. So I have to do maybe a couple micros. So I'm not giving up on the prop firm challenge, but I'm gonna pivot. So today's day 11, took an L. Personal account is doing awesome, matching what the backtest says. So I'm really happy with that. And overall, my only goal here is to have a strategy that we can backtest and match that backtest with forward testing. That's the only goal. So when I enter these trades, it's literally a bracket order with a set take profit and stop. Once we have a candle closure of the opening range breakout, and again, trade how you want. This is just what works for me. But the beauty is I can walk away. So I was able to make the trade with literally it's 5 seconds execution because it's already set up. I hit buy and then I walk away. Because if you watch the charts, and this is what I truly believe, if you're watching charts and indicators, especially on lower time frames, like watch this. Like if you're on a 1 minute chart, I mean, look at this movement and you're trying to analyze where it's going to go next. It's going to take your money. And I believe that's gambling. So I believe in backtest. I'm not trying to go too deep into what I believe, but I go on longer time frames, only use bracket orders, take one trade a day and walk away. So today's day 11 for the prop firm challenge did not go well. The profit factor just needs to be so much higher, I believe. Even though this is profitable, it's not good enough for a prop firm to pass, which is so difficult. So I'm going to switch it up and go NQ, which is going well on my other strategy, and see if we can actually pass a prop firm and do it in a responsible way, which is a bracket order with a stop loss on a simple trade that doesn't require 50 indicators, and it's something I can actually trade because I'm in and out. I can walk away. So let me know what you guys think. Day 11, we're pivoting. We're going from ES to NQ, trading the opening range breakout, and talk to you guys soon.